The world we live in is beautiful. Through our technological advancements, we have created a better world for many. And because of this, we sometimes overlook the simple things that bless our everyday lives. Running water, electricity, shelter, and an abundance of food. With these basic fundamentals unconditionally present in the Western world, we have eliminated the need to think about basic survival. This freedom has catalyzed the development of our society and has enabled us to take integral steps forward. Now, we are liberated to spend more time on bringing our bodies and technologies to new limits. Earthships take the limits of the past and move them forward. They are 100% off-the-grid structures invented by Michael Reynolds that use modern engineering to work with the natural processes of the planet. The result? Free and automated generation of food, water, and energy. All your basic needs are met at zero cost to you. They utilize the principle of thermal mass to stay around 68 degrees Fahrenheit, about 20 degrees Celsius, in even the most extreme climates. Until now, Earthship models have been primarily built for private use, with resources that are out of reach for the communities that need them the most. This changes today.
So a question arises. How can we design a building that empowers communities with limited resources?
The design we're using is called the flower design. It evolved from Haiti and Sierra Leone. That was the first building that we built anywhere that the locals were able to replicate. The rooms are circled around a central water collection series of cisterns, and they all drain into the cisterns, and it ends up looking like petals of a flower. And it's a very simple application of all the Earthship systems, power, water, and sewage. It's easy to replicate and very economical to build.
The flower design is a self-reliant community center, complete with a school, bank, health center, and food store. We're on a mission to bring the flower Earthship to Malawi, Africa this coming October.
We are joining forces with a local nonprofit called Empower Malawi. We've had a lot of interaction with them about what to expect.
Actually, I think it's the biggest project ever so far in the north here. You can actually tell why most NGOs don't work here. It's a challenge.
We hope to have a positive effect on the community. Right now, they don't really have a place to do basic community operations out of.
We think if we could get them stronger, they wouldn't be able to be exploited. It also helps us learn what we really need to do back in the developed countries.
We aim to build 2 rooms and teach the locals how to finish the other 6. Each one of these rooms will catch water, will have a simple solar electric system, will process its own wastewater on site, will have the ability to grow food, and will offer thermal cooling. Additionally, we will use recycled materials, including automobile tires, plastic bottles, glass bottles, and rebar.
This project is much more than one building. By working with and teaching the people of Malawi to construct this design autonomously, our efforts will be the first ripple as Earthship technology spreads and empowers an ever-growing number of people. There is no better way to prove the viability of these structures than to physically build one, which is where you come in.
To fund and build the Malawi project, we are looking for 50 volunteer students. The tuition for the project is $1,000. The 50 students will learn all the basics of Earthship Biotecture theory and construction. How to build with recycled materials, how to implement a water catchment system, gravity-fed plumbing, outlaw septic systems, where all waste is processed on site and also used to grow food.
The students that come to this project are going to see ground up, starting with nothing and end up with 2 rooms functioning.
Earthship technology is a revolutionary solution for empowering entire communities in the search for self-reliance. The new flower design brings this technology to those who need it most. You can help. You can contribute. You can empower.